Hello guys, we're here at the Central Park. It's Spruce Grove. Malapit lang to sa amin. Buti nga hindi pa masyadong lamig. Carry pa ang lamig. Daming napupunta dito. Nice, nice, nice. Wow. Very good light. It's light. Ang bahay po namin, it's malapit lang here dito. Doon lang banda po ang bahay namin. Doon oh. Doon ang bahay namin. Pwedeng lakarin. Kaso malamig. Yan ang Christmas light here in Central Park is Spruce Grove. Nice. Dito po is maraming namamasyal. Gawa ng ang mga lights, ang ganda. Ayun yung dalawa ko.
I wanna go ice skating.
Wala pang ice.
Oh. It's November and there's no snow. There's no ice.
It's late na.
Everything is late.
Yeah.